Buddy, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to use grids on your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. So here we can see all of our websites that we have created, and here is the button that we can use to create a new website if we want. But for today's video guys, we are going to be using this website right here called YouTube Tutorials, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up by clicking on Open Designer right here, and now this will open up the website in the page and let us start editing it. So as you can see, now we have opened up the website, and if you look at the left side of the screen guys, you'll see multiple options that you can use for managing your site. Here you can see all of your components and all the features that you need to use. As you can see, here is the option to add elements. Here you can see your components, the settings, and so on. So guys, let's say that we want to add a grid first. What you have to do is go right here into the upper left corner, find the plus button that says add elements. Click on add elements guys, and now this will open up this new tab where you can add multiple options such as sections and so on. Meanwhile, you click on the grid option right here. Go ahead guys and click on grid, and after clicking on grid guys, you can see that now this will automatically add a grid to your website. So now you can go ahead and get started with editing the grid. You can edit your grid, you can select the sizing out of it, you can put whatever you want into your grid right here, you can select the area and so on. And after you are finished editing guys and you are satisfied with how your grid looks, all you have to do is go ahead and click on the done button right here, and as you can see, now we will successfully add the grid to your website. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.